Hello, learners. Today, under the heading of the Principles of Management, we will study about the principles of scientific management, which is given by the Taylors, Frederick Taylors. Under the principles of scientific management, principle of scientific management aim at providing a guideline for increasing the productivity of organization. These principles are: number 1, scientific, not rule of thumb. This principle involves use of scientific method in place of rule of thumb. Rule of thumb involves trial and error method or hit and miss method, which is costly affairs because a work is performed without any standardization, while rule of thumb emphasizes estimation. Scientific method involves investigation of traditional method through work study, unifying the best practices and developing a standard method which would be followed throughout the organization. Students, before continuing the next point, I would like to request to all of you, still, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, then like and share it. Okay. Now the next one is harmony, not discord. This principle involves maintaining harmony between the management and workers in place of discord. Discord means conflict. Between them, both should realize that they need each other. The management should share the gains of the company with the workers, as prosperity of the employer cannot exist for a long time unless it is accompanied by the prosperity of the employees. Workers should work hard and be willing to embrace change for the good of the organization. Now, the third point is cooperation, not individualism. This principle involves cooperation between management and workers instead of individualism. For this, the management should not close its ear to any constructive suggestions made by the workers. They should be rewarded for their suggestions, which result in substantial reduction in time or cost. These principles further suggest that workers should be part of the management, and if any important decisions are to be made, they should be taken into confidence. At the same time, workers should desist from going on strike and making unreasonable demands. This principle also suggests that there should be almost equal division of work and responsibility between workers and management, and both should work side by side. Okay, students, now the last and fourth point is development of each and every person. You can say the personal development. This principle involves a development of each and every person to reach their fullest potential and prosper. There should be a scientific selection of workers, and the work assigned to them should suit their physical, mental, and intellectual capabilities. Development of worker requires training at the workplace. Training should be provided to worker to keep them updated, that is fully fit according to the need of new methods of working, which may be a different from non-scientific method. Okay students, uh, now I would like to give a short tip to learn the 4 points of principle of scientific management, which is given by Frederick Wilson Taylor. The tip is you can learn these 4 points by a trick. The trick is such hot cheese pizza. Such hot cheese pizza. Such stands for scientific, not rule of thumb. Hot stands for harmony, not discord. Cheese stands for cooperation, not individualism. And last, pizza. Pizza stands for personal development. Okay students, thank you all for be last at the till of the video. I hope all of you have liked the video. आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और आप लोगों से अंत में फिर से एक अनुरोध है कि यदि अभी तक आप लोगों ने वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर नहीं किया है तो आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके, थैंक यू.